How to convert your photo as a keychain in no time. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe to channel for get more video like this. If you want to share a social media on social media photo, your photo like this, how you can do so. First of all, there is an option called this one. If you check out over here, that image, and you will see a keychain option over here. That is this one. You can choose this and choose the photo which you want to use. But otherwise, if you want to use any other option, you can check out. We can add a photo, and this is the command I will provide you in the description below or comment section. You can check out over there and copy this and paste this command and give it to ChatGPT, and voila. Check out the image. Oh my god, it's looking great, my friend. It's looking great. So that way you can easily do so. You can make your photo into a keychain. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more video like this.